I don't know how many of you really follow Indian hockey or have followed Indian hockey. We have the highest amount of gold medals than any other country in Olympics till date. India has not won a single gold since 1980. But let's relate it to design education now. The main reason was we really did not adapt to the AstroTurf surface, which actually changed the game. There was an increase in speed. Dribbling gave away to quick passes. You don't keep the ball with you anymore. And we did not adapt to new strategies. So I hope you can now relate this to design education for the future learners. So the first example I'm taking is a nano drinking water filter project, a product called Tata Swatch. A product like this has taken us 9 years to perfect. Can you see that white thing which looks like a chalk? It actually dissolves over 3000 liters. A villager or the user has to replace the cartridge. So we are ensuring that he is drinking clean water. This is another interesting project. A client had come to us to design an inhaler. So 3 years down the line when we were working on this project, we told our client we're not designing an inhaler, but we're designing patient relief. So this is a classic scenario. I don't know whether you can see those images of the guy inhaling. That's from a movie called Casino Royale. I've captured it, how not to use devices. This was an extremely interesting project. A process like this, all equipment globally costs 10 lakhs plus. We've actually achieved this in 30,000 rupees. We actually cool the baby to 33 degrees instantly using our technology, which is non-electric technology. This is an extremely interesting project which we did. It's called Grow Easy. So how do you grow your own herbs and vegetables at your home? It's very, very important. But it's not just two plastic containers, there's a technology involved. Yeah, in short, I think the learning continues. Thank you.
As a teacher, I'm really impressed. I want students to think like you. What is that trick? What happened to you?
When I'm at the airport, I'm actually observing people, not sitting and reading a newspaper or a book. I think for us, we get ideas only after observing.
So I would just wanted to understand that were there many domain experts involved in that particular process?
Industrial design played the catalyst role. So we had mechanical engineers, we had polymer engineers, we had microbiologists, we had physiologists, we actually had chemical engineers who were actually developing the molecule. So we're looking at the size, whether it should be 4.5 or 6 micron size to that level. Then marketing, guys, was important, and more importantly, it was very important that we had a client who had an appetite to take risk.
Choice making or taking right decision at the right point of time to walk in onto not to be there or to be there starts and continues from being a socially aware learner.
Physical community, social network, internet group and professional groups. Learner as a social citizen, defined by shared number of connection.
Things are changing, one with respect to our patience or impatience. Second, it's changing with respect to technology.
Without knowing what that subject is about, there is no experience in just the words per se.
We need to see the process, we need to document the process, we need to share this with kids. And this is how I guess they will be able to get inspired.
Institutions have to consider themselves and imbibe an ideology of being open.
The generational difference is actually a very inspiring situation. It creates friction, and friction is very positive.
The institute has to be able to qualify its learners, train its learners to ensure that they are able to behave in an institute which can support an open platform.